Hi everyone, good evening. Welcome back once again to the official YouTube channel of Overseas Arena. I'm your own IELTS PT trainer with Overseas Arena, and today in this short video I will be telling you about the writing task 1 structure. So basically in IELTS writing task 1 for the academic students, this is the structure that we usually follow. First we start with the introduction, then we give the overview, then body para 1 and then body para 2. So introduction and overview comes in one single paragraph, but it is not mandatory all the times. You can write introduction and overview in two different separate paragraphs too. Both the format are acceptable. And then after you leave the line and then make a new para, that is BP1, and then another para BP2. Please keep in mind that there is no conclusion given in task 1. In introduction, you just paraphrase the question which has been given to you, and in overview, you give the thesis as to what are the major details that you can observe in the picture. That is whether it is a graph, pie chart, or it is a line, or is a picture diagram, whatsoever in task 1. And after that, in body para 1, body para 2, you give the essential comparison details of the table chart, pie chart, whatsoever is given to you. Make sure, students, that you are using connectors such as additionally, furthermore, nevertheless, firstly, secondly, lastly, consequently, subsequently, and many connectors. Just 3-4 connectors you need to use in BP1 and BP2, and then club your sentences. All right. So I hope this structure is clear to you. And the word limit that we have is 150 words. Sharp 150 words, neither less than that nor greater than that. Otherwise, that will lead to reduction in your band. So keep in mind that there is no conclusion that is given. Only 4 paragraphs you need to make: introduction, overview, BP1, BP2. And you can merge introduction and overview into one single paragraph also. That format is also acceptable. So I hope this was informative in today's video. And in case if you have further queries related to your international overseas dream, then please get in touch with the team of Overseas Arena on the details that have been given below. We will be happy to assist you. Thank you so much.